One of the top questions I get is how do I blow dry my hair straight? How do I get it smooth and get rid of the frizz? I have very curly, frizzy hair. I washed it about, I want to say about an hour ago, and I had it on top of my head with a clip. And I just took it down and I brushed it out with my brush like this, and then I am gonna start blow drying it. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I do, the products I use and everything. What I did to wash it and what I do every time I wash it, and I've been doing and using this product since it was released in October, I use this Cloud Cleansing Cream. This is a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and it has been amazing in bringing back the moisture and the softness and getting rid of sort of the damage and the dry, frizzy part of my hair. So what I normally do is take about 6 or 8 pumps, put it in my hair. It is not a foaming product. It is just gonna be like a conditioner. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a product like this. This is a Scalp Massager, and you're gonna scrub it all through your hair and then leave it on for about 5 to 6 minutes. Rinse it, and then go back in with some more. I did about 4 pumps. I just left it on and then rinsed it out with cool water, and that was it. But I go in really well with my Scalp Massager because that's really good about getting the dirt out of your scalp. It helps growth of your hair. It's really just good for your hair follicles and all the things. And then it cleans your hair really, really well. So then I just rinse it out. I got out of the shower, like I said, just now I combed it through with this flexible brush. This is the craziest thing. Normally, this would never have gotten through my hair if I had used the previous shampoo and conditioner I was using. But now I can just go like this. I don't even use this in the shower anymore. I do it when I get out because it just goes right through my hair so easily. And then I have been loving the extra strength Wow. And I will link all of the things that I'm using below. So I've been using this Dream Coat from Wow, extra strength, and I just put it all through my hair. I already put a bunch in, so I'm not gonna do too much, but you really wanna coat your hair with it. And then I like to go in with this Heavenly Hair Gloss. This is a really lovely, such a nice, kind of a light oil. It's like that, and I'll just put it in on the ends like this. And I'll put it in the temples, all the places that my hair is normally really dry. And I'll put that all through my hair like this, and then I'll go in to dry it. But today, instead of doing my Shark Flex style, I am going back to my roots. I am going to use my Dyson hairdryer. I love this hairdryer. They're expensive, don't get me wrong. And I saved up for this because I really wanted to use this. My hairstylist used this for me, and I knew that this was going to be a game changer with my hair. Plus, I do like the attachment that I can use if I want to do my hair curly. I am going to use my hair brush. This is a nanothermic ceramic and ion hairbrush. I got this on Amazon. I'll link both of these items for you. I am going to use some clips. I'm going to section off my hair. As you can see, my hair is not wet. It's kind of damp, and I'm going to probably do a quick blow dry to get more of the moisture out of my hair, and then I'm going to go in sections with the roll brush, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. I will speed up sections and I'll put timestamps so you can move ahead. Let's get started, and I'm going to show you exactly how I blow dry my hair. The sun may go in and out because I have a big skylight right above my head and I don't have any lights on in the room, but I really do like this clip, and I'll link this below. This is awesome because of the 2 like fingers it has, or 2 little things. I have these as well. I find that these snag my hair a little bit, so I do prefer this. This comes in a 2-pack, and I prefer that. So first thing first, I think I'm just gonna blow dry it and get the most of the moisture out. Like I think I just said that. I can't remember if I said that or not. And then I'll section it into pieces, and then we'll get to doing it as a section. So let's get started. The Dyson has an on and off right here, and then it has a cool shot right here. And then it has this cool little thing that if you need to clean the filter, you can take this on and then lock it back in place. And then I do like this attachment, so this nozzle, and it just snaps in like that. So it's pretty easy. And then you do have some heat and airflow buttons right here as well that you can change depending on what you need. So I'm just gonna do a quick blow and get a little drier, and then we're gonna go in and do the sections. And that is pretty dry, as you can see, and you can see how fluffy my hair is. It's frizzy, it's fluffy, and I have a lot of hair, so it does take a little bit of time. But I find that if I do it in sections like this, it's much easier, and I really think this Dream Coat is really good at keeping the humidity, the frizz, and everything away. I really do like this product. So let's go in and get some sections done. I'm gonna actually use this clip like this. And so that's gonna be like the most of it like that. Okay, so I will speed this up and turn off the volume so you don't have to listen to it. And let's get going. I'm gonna make sure that this is on high heat. I need a lot of heat. And this is gonna be on high volume as far as the airflow. So let's get it done. I have to really pull my hair so that it stays straight because I've got a bunch of curls that are right near my scalp. So as I get higher up on my head, I'll be, really pulling it. I think it's better. In other videos I did this as well. I just really showed you the right side because I can show you this side, and this side because it's the opposite and I don't have a mirror over here. It's easier for me to just show you one side, and then we'll do the front together. So hang tight. We're gonna work on right side together. I'll finish the left side and then we'll do the top together. I got this side done. I still have this like little fuzzies right here, which I'll work on. Oh, you can't even see it. It's a little fuzzy right here, but I'll work on that. And that is something that is great for the Heavenly Gloss. Now I just pulled this side down. You can see we're gonna work on that next. It goes pretty fast, and you can see it really smooths it out, and light keeps going in and out, so hopefully that is not annoying. So now I'm sort of to the top section of my hair, and I'm gonna do it sort of the back section first and move forward. Some people like to do the front of their head first, but I kind of go sort of bottom up and then to the back. So that's what we're gonna do. So that's pretty good. And then we'll get going to the front. Must be a lot of clouds up there because it's sunny, but they keep going in and out. Okay, so we're gonna get a little closer to the front and the top. And then I like to turn it under, but I think it's not necessarily turning it under like this, but it's how I hold my brush. And I don't mind the kind of flip out because it'll flip back. So that's okay with me. Okay, we're almost there. Almost there. This is kind of like going to be in little sections, I think, because it's the top. So I'm just going to let it all down and do it like this. Sometimes it gets a little bit harder to do it that way because my brush picks up way too much and I'm not doing it kind of in clumps. So let's just do this so that I can grab it over here. Okay, let's see how that turned out. So, brush that through. So the bangs are pretty good. I usually have a little bit of like curls right in here, right? You can sort of see this, and then I have some fuzz right in there. And then it gets a little fuzzy over here as well. That's just the nature of my hair. I could either go in and use like this and really do a little spot like this, which I'm gonna do now, and then smooth out this section right here. But I could also go in with my, what do you call it? My Velcro rollers or my straightener or my curling iron, things like that. But for now, I'm gonna use my hairdryer and my hairbrush. Okay, you can see how that's given like a smoothness and kind of a shape to the hair. And so if I don't want to do any other hot tools or something like that, I can just leave it like that. And so then that would be how my hair looks now, which I like. I love how this looks. And then I would definitely go in, add a little bit more of, that was 2 pumps, and rub that through my hair, get the ends like this. And then whatever sort of left, I'm gonna go in sort of with my palms of my hands into the temple, right? And then it adds shine and body and bounce. And that is what my hair looks like when I just use the Dyson hairdryer with my round brush. And my hair, because it's dry, curly, frizzy, is pretty dry. I can go 4 or 5 days without washing my hair, and I can put on a shower cap in between like showers and things like that, put it on during the shower, and then just hair dry my hair when I get off, take the shower cap off, and then kind of fluff it up. And so this will maintain pretty well for up to 5 days, which is just the nature of my hair. So if your hair is thin or fine or oily, you may not have the same ability to go that long between wash days, but that's how I am. Today was my 5th day and I hadn't washed my hair, and I had just blown it dry like this last week. So this is what it looks like, and this is the back. So it's pretty smooth. It's got a little flip, and that's exactly how I dry my hair with my Dyson and my round brush. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please hit the like, hit the subscribe. You'll be notified when new videos go up. I would love to see you back here again. If you have any questions or thoughts, or if there's any videos you'd like to see, let me know. Leave me a comment below. I'll link everything that I've used down below. And if you're interested in any of my other videos for makeup and things like that, don't forget, check down below and you'll see them all. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.